Okay, so as all already known, speed is the rate of change of position of any object in any direction. What is speed? Speed is the rate of change of any object in any direction. So it's basically a scalar quantity. Okay, so scalar quantity, that means it has only magnitude and not direction. ओके, स्पीड इज द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के उसके डायरेक्शन में चेंज को हम क्या बोलते हैं, स्पीड बोलते हैं, या उसके मूवमेंट में किसी भी तरह का चेंज हो रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्पीड. सो बेसिकली स्पीड इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी, दैट मीन्स ये एक अदिश राशि है, और स्केलर क्वांटिटी जो भी होगा उसके पास एक मैग्नीट्यूड होगा, बट वो किसी भी डायरेक्शन में हो सकता है, दैट मीन्स इट हैज नॉट अ पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन. सो वी कैन formalized the speed like speed is equals to distance divided by time, or you can call time interval. So in short, we can write down s is equals to d divided by t, and if you want to find out the distance, then st is equals to d. Okay, if you want to find out the distance, then the formula will be distance is equals to speed into time interval, and if you want to find out the time duration, then it will be time is equals to, or time interval is equals to distance divided by speed of any object. Okay, so these are the basic formulas. By using, you can solve the problems related to the speed, time and distance. Okay. So just remember STD. It means ST is equals to D. Speed into time interval is equals to distance. STD. Okay, let's move on the question portion. Okay, first question is, a train travels at a speed of 108 km per hour. What is its speed in meter per second? Okay, so first thing to do is the unit change, or we have to remember the unit must be same. So first of all, the rule number 1 is the unit must be same. So for example, if you want to convert kilometer per hour into the meter per second, okay, or if you want to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, so the shortcut is, if you want to convert kilometer per hour into the meter per second, then just multiply 5 divided by 18 in any number, and it will be converted into the unit meter per second, right? If you want to convert meter per second into the kilometer per hour, then just multiply 18 divided by 5 in any number, and it will be converted into kilometer per hour, right? So basically this is the logic, like if you want to convert the kilometer per hour, that means 1 kilometer and divided by 1 hour. Okay, so 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, and divided by 1 hour, that means 60 into 60 seconds. Okay, it will be 3600 second. So 1000 divided by 3600 second, right? So see, 0 cancel out, 10 divided by 36, or you can call 5 divided by 18. 5 divided by 18. So that's why you just multiply into any number 5 divided by 18, and it will be converted into meter per second, or just inverse number, that will be 18 divided by 5, multiply in any number, that will be converted into kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is the basic thumb rule. We have just multiply 5 into 18 in this question. Because a train travels at a speed of 108 kilometer per hour, and what is its speed in meter per second. So just multiply 5 divided by 18 in the 108 and it will be converted into meter per second. So if the speed is 108 kilometer per hour, then 108 into 5 divided by 18, it will be meter per second, right? So 9 ja and 5 4 and 9 1 ja and 6 ja 54. So 6 into 5, it will be 30 meter per second. So answer will be, in this case, none of the above. Okay, because the answer will be 30 meter per second and we do not have a 30 meter per second in the options, then the answer will be none of the above. So this is the first type of question, or you can say the easiest type of question in speed, time and distance. So this is the type 1. Okay, let's do another example. A runner completes a 200 meter race in 24 seconds. ओके कोई भी रनर है उसने 200 मीटर का जो डिस्टेंस है या रेस है उसको 24 सेकंड में कंप्लीट करता है. सो व्हाट इज दिस, व्हाट इज हिज स्पीड इज. सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज हिज स्पीड. ऑप्शंस आर 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर, 28.5 किलोमीटर पर आवर, 24 एंड 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर. सो हमें कैलकुलेट करना है व्हाट इज स्पीड ऑफ दैट रनर और एथलीट. सो formula is STD. ST is equals to D. This is the basic formula. Just remember STD for simplify the formula. Now you can find out the S is equals to speed is equals to distance divided by time duration. And what is the distance? So basically distance is the 200 meter. So 200 meter divided by time duration is the 24 second. 24 second. So the unit is meter per second. This is meter, 200 meter, and 24 is the second. So basically this is in the form of meter per second. It will be 12 100 and 650 325. So basically it will be 25 divided by 3 meter per second. आपने simplify करते करते 25 divided by 3 meter per second आया. But options are available in the kilometer per hour. Then we have to convert into the meter per second into the kilometer per hour. So just multiply 18 divided by 5. So if you want to convert 25 divided by 3 meter per second, so just multiply 18 divided by 5 in this number and you can calculate convert it into kilometer per hour. Okay, so 25 divided by 3 into 18 divided by 5. 3 1 ja and 3 6 ja, 5 1 ja and 5. Okay, it will be again 30 meter per second. So answer will be option D. Option D is the 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, correct. Venkatesh, correct. Another example is a train travels 24 kilometer at a speed of 8 kilometer per hour. Determines, so how long 8 kilometer per hour. एक ट्रेन 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर की रफ्तार से. A train travels 24 kilometer at a speed of 8 kilometer per hour. At a train travels and complete 24 kilometer at a speed of 8 kilometer per hour. So how long did this journey take? So basically हमें कितना टाइम है वो टाइम कैलकुलेट करना है. So find out a time distance, time duration or time interval. So it will be STD. That means time is equals to distance divided by speed, and it will be distance is the 24 kilometer, and the speed is 8 kilometer per hour. 8 kilometer per hour. So basically the options are available in the second. So 24 divided by 8, that means 8 1 ja and 3 ja, it will be 3 kilometer per hour. Okay, kilometer cancel हो जाएगा, so we have just 3 hours. The time will be 3 hours. Just convert this 3 hour into the second. So what will we do to convert into second? It will be 3 hours multiply in seconds. That's why you have to multiply 3600. If you want to convert into minute, then just multiply 60, and if you want to convert into the second, then just multiply 60 into 60, that means 3600, right? So it will be 0 0 18 1 and 9 and 10. So that's why it will be 10,800 seconds. The answer will be C, option C, 10,800 seconds. Correct. Shankar Singh, Ponnam Venkatesh, correct. 10,800 seconds is the correct answer. The speed of a car is 36 kilometer per hour. And how much time will it take? Will it cover the distance of 3600 meters? So again, we have to find out the time duration or time interval. Okay, do it fast. What will be the answer, or what is the time interval? Options are 3 minutes, 12 minutes, 6 minutes, and 9 minutes. Always remember in what form of the unit used in the options. Then you have to accordingly. We have a speed in the form of kilometer per hour, 36 kilometer per hour, right? And the distance is 36 meter, 3600 meters. So the time interval is equals to distance divided by speed. So distance is the 3600 meter, and the speed will be in the meter per second, because the options are available in the minute. So just divided by 16 and you will get the answer in the minute form. So that's why you have to balance the units of given data. So that's why you have to convert the speed kilometer hour into the meter per second. So 36 kilometer per hour converted into meter per second. So just multiply 5 divided by 18 and it will be 36 into 5 divided by 18. So 18 1 ja and 2 ja, it will 10 meter per second. So speed will be 10 meter per second. So just divided by 10 meter per second. Meter cancel and 0 0 cancel. So it will be 360 seconds. Okay, but options available in the minute form. So if you want to convert second into minute, then just divided by 60. 360 divided by 60. So 0 0 6 1 ja 6 6 ja, and it will be 6 minutes. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, so always remember we have to balance the unit on both the given datas. It will be speed or distance, or speed or time, or distance or time. Okay, let's move on. While returning home from office, Ashish covered a distance of 5 kilometer 265 meter by bus. Okay, 265 meter bus. Okay, 6 kilometer 760 meter by car and 50 meter on foot. What is the total distance covered by Ashish? So this is basically a simple logical question. Just calculate the total distance. Okay, calculate the total distance. The options are available in the form of kilometer meter form. The units are available in the kilometer and meter. what will be the total distance? Just add on all the distances: 5 kilometer 265 meter, 6 kilometer 760 meter, and 50 meter on foot. The answer of Ponam Venkatesh, 12 kilometer and 75 meter. Anyone else? Distances are 5 kilometer and 265 meter plus 6 kilometer and 760 meter, then 50 meter. Now the 5 kilometer and 6 kilometer, it will be 11 kilometer plus 265 and 760. So, and 50. Okay, so it will be 1075. That means 1000 is the 1 kilometer and 11 kilometers. So 12 kilometer 75 meter is the correct answer. Correct. 12 kilometer 75 meters. So option B is the correct answer. Option B. Okay, next question is sound travels in air at a speed of about 1100 feet per second. Okay, a man hears the sound of an X. Sound of an X 11 divided by 5 seconds after it strikes a tree. How far is the man from the woodcutter? So basically the logic is sound traveling का speed दिया हुआ है, that is 1100 feet per second, and कोई एक मैन है जो किसी भी एक साउंड को सुन रहा है, that is the sound of X which is strikes on a tree by a woodcutter. So basically the duration of sounds is 11 divided by 5 seconds after it strikes a tree. So basically we have to find out the distance between the man and woodcutter. We have the sound speed of sound, that is 1100 feet per second, and the time is 11 divided by 5 second. We have to calculate the distance between the woodcutter and the man who's hear the sound of X. So basically we have to calculate the distance. What will be distance? Speed into time. So its speed is 1100. This is basically a speed of sound, na? So 1100 feet per second, and multiply 11 divided by 5 seconds. So 1100 into 11, it will be 12100. That is basically 11 square, 12100, and divided by 5. So 5 1 ja and 5 2 ja 2, so 4 and 2 and 0. So 2420 feet. Okay, the options available in the form of feet unit, that means the option B is the correct answer. 2420 feet is the correct answer. Okay, next question is, if a person crosses a 600-meter long street in 5 minutes, his speed in kilometer per hour will be, okay, easy question. Just calculate the speed, that is the distance divided by time interval. Speed is the 600 meter and time interval is 5 minutes. Okay, so just balance the units and you will get the correct answer, that is in the form of kilometer per hour. That will be kilometer per hour. What is the answer? मीटर को हमें किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा एंड मिनट को हमें आवर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, so just convert meter into kilometer. So basically just divided by 1000 and you will convert it meter into kilometer. 600 divided by 1000, it will be kilometer, and whole divided by 5 minute. If you want to convert into hour, then just divided by 60. Okay, so it will be 600 divided by 1000 multiply 60 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 रिवर्स हो जाएगा, जब ऊपर जाएगा तो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा 60 डिवाइडेड बाई 5. So 0 0 and 0 0 cancel, 0 and 0 cancel. So it will be 36 divided by 5 kilometer per hour. But answer in the form of decimal. So just solve these problems. 36 divided by 5. So 5 1 ja and 5 7 ja 7. Bach gaya 1, that means 0. So it will be 2. So 7.2 kilometer per hour is the correct answer. That is the option B. So the major challenge to solve this type of problem is the unit conversion, and there is no difficulty to solve or get the correct answer. So basically, always be careful by converting units to units. Okay, next question is the speed of a bus is 84 kilometer per hour. The distance covered by the bus in 6 seconds is, okay, we have to find out the distance which is covered by the bus in 6 seconds. Basically, these all are the basic types of question you can easily find out by converting the units. Okay, if you want to find out the distance, then distance is equals to speed into time interval. So speed is the 84 kilometer per hour, and the time interval is 6 second. 6 second. The options are available in the form of meter. Okay, so that's why you have to convert kilometer per hour into the meter per second, right? So what is the process to converting kilometer per hour? Just multiply 5 divided by 18 and it will be meter per second, right? Okay, 6 1 ja and 6 3 ja, 3 1, and it will be 2 and 24, so that's why it will be 28. So 28 into 5. Okay, second cancel because meter per second hai, that means second in the position of denominator and upar mein nominator mein ek second hai, so that's why you can cancel out second and second. There is only meter available in the equation. Now 28 into 5, that means 140 na. So 140 meter is the correct answer. What is the option? Option is C. Option C. Okay. Okay. Option A 10 meter, B is the 120 meter, and C is the 140 meter, and D is the none of the above. So option C is the correct answer.
To watch the complete video, download Mining Gyan 2.0 app from the Play Store and enjoy seamless learning with Mining Gyan 2.0.